Are you tired of your regular Bluetooth speaker falling short in multiple ways? Let's take a closer look. Short battery life means constant charging and interruptions during your favorite songs. Subpar sound quality that leaves you wanting more. Limited functionality with no additional features like an alarm clock or wireless charging. Introducing the revolutionary mini Bluetooth speaker multifunctional wireless charger speaker with alarm clock and color lights. Here you can see the product in action. Experience extended battery life that keeps your music playing longer. Enjoy crystal clear sound quality that transforms your listening experience. Packed with multifunctional features, this mini speaker is more than just a music player. Wake up to your favorite tunes with the built-in alarm clock and set the mood with customizable color lights. Fast charging capability ensures your devices are always ready to go. Upgrade your listening experience and simplify your life with the mini Bluetooth speaker multifunctional wireless charger speaker with alarm clock and color lights. Discover the best deal ever on the mini Bluetooth speaker multifunctional by clicking the link below. Buy through the link in the description for the best discount.